Circlers. So let's look at the button element. So the button element is located on the right side of your Blast editor under the Elements tab right here. You want to click that, drag it over, and then you can place that anywhere in the Blast where you see that blue line. Once you do, you have the option to enter your text. I'm going to say, check us out here. Put that, and then you also have the option to link this button to a web address, an email, or a phone number. So web address, I'll just put circle.com. And then so whenever your subscribers click on this button inside of the Blast, they're automatically sent to whatever you link there. Along with that, you also have the option to format and style the text of the button with the toolbar here. You can bold it, you can underline, you can align it, have many options here. You also have great options in the layout. We highly encourage that you play around with the layout, play around with the button colors, the text colors. You have options here to really customize this and make this your own. You can select how round the corners are. You can set up the alignment. You really have a lot of stuff to do here. Please check below. We have some more information on buttons, and if you have any questions, let us know.